Plateau state government has held an emergency meeting following the deaths of 6 persons from Lassa fever. Commissioner for Health, Kudin Kamshak, gave our correspondent in Jos, Funam Joshua, a situation report on the outbreak in the state.
These are health experts from different fields of specialty that have been invited by the state government to discuss how to check the recent outbreak of Lassa fever in Plateau State. The state has so far recorded that 6 people have lost their lives following the outbreak of the disease early January 2019. The State Commissioner for Health, who had a chat with us before attending the emergency meeting, confirmed that 17 out of the 30 suspected cases reported are carriers of the virus.
Initially, the spread of the disease was restricted to about 5 local governments, but we've had an additional 3 now. We are doing what we call line listing of all the contacts of these people that have been confirmed positive, both primary and secondary contacts. And so far we are keeping watch over 107 contacts of these patients.
The order of the day at the meeting that lasted for hours was the possible ways of checking the annual cycle of Lassa fever outbreaks in the state, which happens every first quarter of the year. The meeting, which was presided by the State Commissioner of Health, came to the conclusion that every participant will be involved in researching for ways to bring an end to the outbreaks.
I think the government can do more, and this meeting that we've just concluded, is one of the strategies to be able to combat, the Lassa fever scourge. And I think with the setting up of the emergency, response center, which the state government has made, some funds available to do that, I think we'll be able to tackle, the Lassa fever, scourge as soon as, possible.
We have come together to profile the way forward, and the way forward is good management of the cases. And most importantly, we want people to know that Lassa fever outbreak is in Plateau State. We are containing it now. And the root of infection is through poor hygiene.
They will always get better if the symptoms and signs are reported in the hospitals. At the beginning, they will get treatment and become better. So stigmatization should be ruled out here, because at the end of the day, they will still come and live with us.
Residents are advised to support the fight against Lassa fever in Plateau State by reporting to appropriate authorities any suspected victims in order to ensure a quick response. Funam Joshua, TVC News, Jos.